Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. Today, we're diving into a word that causes a lot of confusion for English learners. The word should. It seems small, but it's actually a powerful word that you'll hear all the time in real conversations. We use should to give advice, like you should drink more water. We use it to talk about what we expect, like the meeting should start soon. And we even use it when we're surprised or reacting to something, like it's strange that he should say that. Understanding how to use should will make your English sound more natural, more fluent, and more like a native speaker. This video is a part of a full series. So if you've been learning with me or one of my teachers, this is a perfect way to review what you've already learned and go even deeper. Whether we're working one-on-one in a group or you're starting with one of my team, these lessons are here to keep you practicing and progressing every step of the way. And don't forget, if you want more practice, I've got interactive exercises waiting for you at davidenglish.info. They match this lesson and will help you learn faster and remember longer. So, all right, let's get into it and master should. What is should? Should is a modal verb. We use it to give advice, recommendations, express obligation, or talk about what is expected. The main uses of should. Number one, advice or a recommendation. For example, you should drink more water, or he should see a doctor. The second use is expectation. For example, 1. The train should arrive at 6 p.m. Number 2. She should be home by now. We expect it. Use number 3, it's mild obligation, like a duty. You should wear a seatbelt. We should respect others. And use number 4, it's about criticism. Criticism about the past. Maybe you regret something and you want to criticize yourself or someone. You should have called me, but you didn't. They should have studied more for the test, but they didn't. And that's why they failed. And now we have the less common use of should. After certain adjectives to express opinion, reaction, or emotion. We use should after adjectives like funny, strange, odd, natural, surprising, typical, interesting, shocking, annoying, and surprised. This structure shows that the speaker finds something unusual, expected, or emotionally charged. The structure is like this. It's plus an adjective, plus that, plus the subject, plus should, and plus the verb. Let's look at an example. Number 1, it's strange that she should say that. It actually means, I find it strange she said that. Number 2, it's surprising that he should be so angry. Or 3, it's funny that you should mention it. I was just thinking about it. And 4, it's typical that he should arrive late again. I'm surprised that she should react like that. Why you should here? To show personal reaction or your opinion and emotion. to emphasize that something is unexpected or typical. And common in more formal or written English, but native speakers do use it in conversation too, just so you know. Okay, we have arrived to the best part, the practice. This is really going to be amazing. So what you can do now is actually give me real advice. I'm going to read out the sentence, and then you can stop the video and say your advice, and then play the video, continue with the video, and listen to the advice I give and see if it matches. I'll tell you to stop or not. Number 1, I want to improve my English skills. So you can stop the video now and give your advice. Stop the video, give your advice, and then replay the video and see if your advice matches with my advice. You should practice speaking and listening to English every day. That's my advice. Let's continue to number 2. I'm struggling to save money. I'm struggling to save money. That means I'm having a hard time. So, hey, listen, I need some advice. I'm struggling to save money. What do you think? What do you think I should do? Stop the video, give me some advice, and then replay the video. My advice is you should create a budget and stick to it to manage your expenses better. This is my advice. Did it match with yours? Let's go with number 3. I get very nervous when speaking in public. I just have a really hard time speaking in public, and I get very nervous. Do you have any advice for me? Stop the video, say your advice, okay? And see if it matches with mine. If I were you, okay, you should take a public speaking course to build your confidence. What do you think about that? This is what I think you should do. So now I hope my advice matches with yours. Let's go to number 4. Number 4 says, I have trouble managing my time. What should I do about it? Stop the video. Give me your advice. And then replay it. You should prioritize your tasks and use a planner to stay organized. Let's go to number 5. I don't get along with my colleagues. I just don't get along with them. What should I do? Stop the video if you have to. My advice is you should try to communicate openly and just find common ground with them. I gotta say, you're doing great. Remember, repetition. Repetition is going to get where you need to be. You're doing amazing. Please subscribe to the channel and share this with a friend. Directions. Give advice using should. 6. Okay. I've gained weight recently. What should I do? You should focus on a balanced diet and regular exercise. Number 7. I'm always late for meetings. You should set reminders and prepare in advance to be on time. That's my advice. Number 8. Again, I'm going to read out the example. You are going to give me advice. I find it hard to concentrate while studying. What do you think I should do about that? You should study in a quiet place and take regular breaks to stay focused. 9. I feel overwhelmed by my workload. Overwhelmed means there's just too much going on, okay? And the workload is just too much work. I feel overwhelmed by my workload. What do you think I should do about it? You should delegate tasks or ask for help when you need it. And delegate means like you're the manager and you're giving that work to maybe your employees and they can do the work for you. Number 10, I want to start a new hobby, but don't know what to choose. There's just so many of them. What should I do about that? You should try different activities and see which one you enjoy the most. That's my advice to you. Directions. Rephrase the sentence using should. Here's the original sentence. I didn't expect you to say that. Rephrased, you can say, I didn't expect that you should say that. It's slightly formal. Could also say, would say that in spoken English. Number 12. It's odd that she hasn't replied to your message. If we rephrase it, it's odd that she should not reply to your message. Number 13. Original. I find it surprising that he won the competition. Rephrased. I find it surprising that he should win the competition. 14. Original. It's unusual for her to be so quiet. Let's rephrase it. It's unusual that she should be so quiet. 15. Original. I can't believe they left without saying goodbye. Rephrased. I can't believe that they should leave without saying goodbye. Number 16. Again, we're rephrasing the sentences. Original. It's typical for him to forget his keys. Let's rephrase it. It's typical that he should forget his keys. 17. Original. I didn't think you would enjoy the concert. Should and rephrase doesn't work naturally here. So the best version without should sounds like this. I didn't think you would enjoy the concert. Optional. I didn't think it was right that you should enjoy the concert, but this implies moral judgment. 18. Original. It's strange that they haven't called yet. Rephrased. It's strange that they should not have called yet. 19. Original. I never expected her to be so helpful. Should doesn't work naturally with expect. An alternative is with should. It's surprising that she should be so helpful. And then 20, the last one, original. It seems surprising that they're moving so soon. The rephrased version is, it seems surprising that they should move so soon. Now, those are a little bit harder, I know, but you did it all. The more practice you do, the better you're going to get. So if you want to practice this on your own, I advise you all the time thinking about advice, share your advice with others, discuss the actions you should take, and do it all the time. Just practicing, giving advice, and you're going to get better and better and better. For more information, you can visit and follow my social media accounts. Again, you can find me at davidenglish.info. Welcome to the David English Academy. Have a good day, everybody.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.